Namaste दोस्तों, welcome to Shatruchi Swadam. Today we are going to prepare pesargunda poha or moong dal poha. Chalo, let's get started into recipe. Take 2 cups of moong dal. We are doing dry roasting. Now we have to add 1 teaspoon of salt or salt as per your taste. We are adding 9 red chilies. You can add more or less as per your taste. We are adding 1 teaspoon of jeera seeds and we have to stir this well and dry roast it until it is golden brown in color. Now we have to grind it into a smooth and fine powder. See friends, our powder is ready. We have to sieve it once to remove any lumps from it. Our moong dal powder or pesargunda is ready. This can store up to 2 months in airtight container. You can prepare this once and eat it with hot rice or flattened rice or puffed rice. This powder is very healthy and nutritious also. Now let's get into pesargunda poha recipe. We have taken 1 big cup of flattened rice. We are adding enough of water and we have to clean it well and drain all the excess water. Now keep this aside for 5 minutes. Now take 1 tablespoon of oil, urad dal 1 teaspoon, jeera seeds 1 teaspoon, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, green chilies as per your taste, curry leaves 7 to 8 leaves, cashews we have taken 8 to 9. You can add more or less as per your taste. We are adding 2 tablespoons of groundnuts, 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds. All these ingredients are very healthy and nutritious. We have to roast it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we are adding hing. Friends, if you like onion, here only you can add onion or carrots also if you like. Now we are adding our soaked flattened rice. Add salt as per your taste. Stir it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add little water on a low flame. Cover the lid and let it cook for 2 minutes. Now we are adding 2 tablespoons of our moong dal powder and mix this well. Friends, this is very healthy, tasty and quick recipe. Add coriander leaves. If you are staying in PG or you are bachelor or you want quick and healthy recipe, you can prepare this. We are adding ghee 2 teaspoons. Now we'll cover the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our tasty and healthy breakfast pesargunda poha is ready. See friends, isn't it very easy and healthy recipe? If you are a bachelor or staying in a PG, you have to try this recipe. Try and let us know friends. 1 minute friends. If you haven't subscribed to Shatruchi Swadam yet, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, comment, share. Subscribe once and be a part of Shatruchi Swadam family. Bye bye friends.